back to Arpita's space. Come along onto a yet another travel escapade with me. It was our anniversary on 3rd of February, and since this year we were celebrating a decade of togetherness, we thought of making it a little more special. Thus, after being stuck at home for almost a year due to the COVID landscape, we finally stepped out, and trust me, it was such an exciting breather from the mundane life. We zeroed down onto Agra simply because it's nearby and it has the Taj Mahal, and what could be a better epitome of love? Agra is about 190 kilometers from Noida, and it took us close to 3 hours via road to reach here. The Taj Expressway that connects Agra with Noida is a buttery smooth 6-lane highway, so we just tuned into some nice music and off we drove onto a long drive. Now for where to stay in Agra, there are innumerous options to choose from depending on the kind of stay you want and of course the budget. So after weighing the pros and cons of all the options, we chose ITC Mughal for our stay owing to the luxurious feel this hotel has to offer. This extravagant resort comprises of 233 opulent rooms and suites. There are 3 categories of accommodations here, named as the Mughal rooms, the Mughal chambers, and the Royal Mughal suites. We chose the suite and it costed us about INR 15,000 per night. This was inclusive of breakfast and one meal. Now let me show you around this majestic resort. Sprawled over 23 acres of Mughal-style gardens with the characteristic use of water channels, fruit trees, flowers and shaded walkways, the resort is a fitting tribute to the great Mughal builders of the past. The interiors are marked by high ceilings and large windows to evoke images of Mughal palaces and to afford a view of the landscaped gardens. The color palette of the interior decor is richly Mughal, which gives a splendid view. Coming to one of the most important aspects of the staycation experience, food, this place offers a variety of fine dine options including Peshawari, Mughal Pavilion, Maikhana, which is their lobby bar, and Taj Bano, to which the hungriest headed next. So here we are hungry, desperately waiting for our lunch, and तब तक हम चला रहे हैं पापड़ से काम. Talking about the Taj Bano, it is an elegant and very spacious multi-cuisine buffet restaurant which offers a fusion of flavors and ambience. Now coming to how safe was this place in the COVID scenario, Sanitization and COVID safety measures were top-notch undoubtedly, so one can be rest assured of the safety and hygiene over here. The concierge can be contacted to book guided tour to the historic monuments of Agra, including the iconic Taj Mahal. Now let's go to Jharokha-e-Taj, which is a Taj observatory for a stunning view of the Taj Mahal. This is the lavish swimming pool area. The pool was closed thanks to the winters and COVID. I learned that Kathak performances can also be organized with live sitar and tabla. Also on offer are Kathak lessons for interested audiences. Another offering is complimentary yoga sessions by the experts. There's a shopping arcade in the entrance area wherein one can indulge in a bit of retail therapy. One can learn a bit more about the local arts, crafts and jewels while they shop here. The food here provided robust flavors to make every stay an Epicurean delight. The Royal Spa, named as Kaya Kalp, offers Ayurvedic and Western therapies that can be customized for each guest. And these treatments for sure are meant to melt away the stress and strains of daily life. I wish I could take a treatment over here, but the time didn't permit us. Now let me give you a sneak peek into the room we stayed in. This is the entrance and the lounge area follows. Next is the warm and cozy bedroom. The interiors are richly done and the ceiling specially gives royal mahal-like feel. COVID has made our lives so restricted and it's especially hard on kids. So weekend getaway like this was so rejuvenating and Abir especially enjoyed the most.
Jumping up and down in muddy puddles, splish splash, splish sploosh splash. And a big splash there. Here a splash, there a splash, everywhere a splish splash. फ्रेंड्स अबीर के।
The plush green lawns, immaculate flower beds, amazing hospitality, and the grandeur of the palatial resort were hard to leave, but with a heavy heart, we bid goodbye with hopes to come back sometime real soon. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you back again very soon. Bye bye. Happy living and healthy living.